got a B? Who got a lot of D? Who poppin' like a P when he be hopping out the V? And who gon' tell him that my bitch is getting her degree? And when we say it's hot girl summer, we ain't talking about degrees. Who won't follow me? Like who don't follow me? Cause even in your new bitch I can see a lot of me. And honestly I'm on it.
What's up, guys? So I'm going to jump straight into it. So the first thing I'm doing is just putting on my wig cap. You can get this at any drugstore or beauty supply around your house or anything. It's literally on like one something. I paid $1.99 for it. So that's the first thing you're doing. And make sure your hair is in cornrows because you don't want to have no bumpy spaces anywhere. So the next thing I'm doing is I'm basically pulling my wig cap over my ear. So my ear can create a hole in my ear so the wig cap can stretch more. So now I'm doing this on the other side. So this one was kind of hard for me because I have like a industrial piercing there, so it was kind of hard to cut. But yeah, you're just cutting where you can fit your, like basically make a hole for your ear so it can stretch out basically. So that's what I'm doing right now, just like I did the other ear. So now after you get done cutting your wig cap for your ears, you're gonna take some got to be glue spray and put it on top of your wig cap to make the wig stay. But don't put it on top of that white part that I'm pointing to. Don't put it on there because I accidentally wasted some on there, so don't do that. Just put it like a little bit back in your hair, but don't put it on the white part. Now I'm just going to take my blow dryer and blow dry it until all the cold spots are gone. If it's still wet and cold, it is not done yet. Wait till it's like dry because you don't want it to mess up your wig. So make sure it's all the way dry. You have to have patience for real. You got to wait till it's all the way dry, or else it's not going to look right. So now if it looks like this, then it's completely dry. It looks like normal. Then that means you can start doing the next step. So for the next step, you're going to be using any type of brush. It just got to be kind of like thick to go all over the cap. So you're basically going to use like a makeup brush. And so then after you find your makeup brush, you're going to use basically use like some type of powder. I use like some foundation, which is you're not supposed to use, so don't use foundation. I mean, it don't really matter, but you can use powder. You mostly use powder. So basically what I'm doing is I'm just going over my wig cap with the same color as my skin tone. And I'm just going over the cap. Don't put it on a thick white part though, because I made a mistake. You did that again. So just go over where that glue was at. So wherever that glue landing at, you're gonna put it all where that got to be glue is at, so it could blend in. Then you're gonna take some type of hair scissors and you're gonna cut the top of the wig cap where that white line is at, the thickest part. Where that glue is at, that's where you're gonna stop it, wherever you put the glue at. So I did mine's kind of messed up. Forgive me, it's my first time ever doing a lace front, so it ain't gonna be perfect. But you're basically just gonna cut it like real thin, so it won't be bumpy on the ends. So that's basically what I did. Now you're going to finally grab your wig now and then lift up your lace front, and then you're gonna take some got to be glue gel and then put it on top of that so it could stay on there. So that's basically what I'm doing now. Then after that, you're going to take a blow dryer and then blow dry that part so it won't be wet or anything. Because if it's wet, then it's not going to stay on. Like the wig is going to fall off. So that's why you're supposed to put multiple stuff on there. And then after that, I'm going to put some gossipy glue spray on there also. Now I'm going in with my blow dryer and just blow drying that part where I put the gel at and the got to be glue spray at. I just keep going in with it. So it's gonna take a minute for that to be dry. Then I'm going to take my slick stick. I can never say it right. It'll just put it over the top of my head so it can slick down so good. That's basically what I'm doing right now. So it could be real slick and pretty. Now I'm just taking my scissors and cutting that leftover lace off. Then I'm just gonna take my blow dryer and just blow dry the hair. You remember I had put some glue on that lace part, so I'm basically just pushing my lace down. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. It is just blow drying everything. Then I'm gonna take my flat iron and I'm just going. It was already flat iron, but I mean, it was already like flat, but I just want to just make it more like straight. And I don't know why, but I just don't want my hair to be curly right now. Even though y'all look so pretty with curly hair also, but it's like I want it so straight in my life. So you can see the difference between this and this. Like really, that stick slick stuff, it really made my hair look real like slick on the top, which I really like about that. Like that's why that stuff $7. Shoot, that stuff make my hair look good. This stuff just let in and out. I love this hair, bro. My hair used to be stiff when I was younger. I ain't even gonna tell you that little backstory. I ain't even gonna tell y'all about that one. Okay. Yeah, I am done my stuff. I'm gonna put this scarf on so it can lay down more better. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching.
Waiting for the storm to go by. Keep my head up, I'll try. Wipe my tears when I cry.